Hi friends! Welcome back to Adventures with Disabilities. I've got an exciting project to share with you today. Scoot over here so I can show you. Come on! If you're new here, my latest obsession is vintage sewing. This has been my sewing studio for the past 4 months. So today I want to show you my process to create the perfect sewing room. A Pinterest-worthy, luxurious space to seamlessly enjoy your precious sewing projects. No, that's not my thing. I'll show you how I turned a spare bedroom, thrift store finds, and curbside furniture into the most efficient, ergonomic, and ADA accessible space I could come up with on a $75 budget. Let's go! My, oh my. We've got a pile of fabric here. This is my husband's childhood desk. Got a laundry basket filled with stuff. This bookshelf was a curbside find. We've got a corner filled with junk and a love seat that we really don't sit in. First, I set a budget of between $50 to $100 for the entire room makeover. We will not be painting and not be replacing flooring at this time. I noted the dimensions of the room and came up with a layout based upon the work triangle. This ergonomic setup can help maximize efficiency and minimize effort. I recorded the desired furniture measurements in my phone and hit the thrift store. Can you say a prayer to the thrift store gods that we're gonna find a sewing machine today?
Sure. Let's find that machine.
Amen. These are the pieces of furniture that we picked up. I was solely after this for the cabinet, and frankly, I was not looking for another sewing machine, but isn't that usually the case? I got this desk as well. The unfortunate thing with these, and you can see my power wheelchair over there, the height isn't high enough so that I can comfortably sit in my wheelchair, and that's not ideal. And this was the last thrift store find, and this is a Pottery Barn shelf. Time for moving day. All right. This guy's got years of experience moving furniture. Should we take the legs off?
Yeah, they're skinny.
Will you do that one and I can
Tell Terry, put that one tighter. I'm sorry, you were resisting me.
Yeah, because it's not gonna fit.
That's skinny, it will fit.
I can't wait till it doesn't fit. I get heated about this stuff because I want to be able to do it myself. I don't like being the one to give instructions. I like being the one with the muscle. I can't be. There's so much room now! Break time. I think next we'll clear out this corner. The corner is cleared out. We've moved it onto the sofa. Here she is. Ergonomics. It's a career, guys. Ergonomics are important. To break it down, you'd like to have your posture at a 90 to 100 degree angle upright in the chair. Your elbows should be bent at 90 degrees and your hip and knees should also be at 90 degrees with your feet flat on the floor. So frustrating. And you don't want to be straining your neck. The better you can do to keep these body parts in alignment, the more comfortable your sewing will be. My top priority was a cutting station. Trying to cut yards of fabric on a 2-foot-high coffee table was not appropriate for my chronic pain and health conditions. This was a big barrier to starting new projects, and cutting a pattern often took me multiple days. I'm going to cut for the first time at my new cutting station.
Is this better than what you had before out there?
So much better. Woo! We're getting ready to hang the Pottery Barn shelf onto the wall. So I've got a little paper mock-up here. What I read is that you should go 24 inches above the level of a desk.
Now I felt it going
Alright,
in.
hang on. Let's do the honors. Oops. Things were certainly coming along, but I was still very much lacking in storage space. So then I got a text from Ralph.
Hey, yo, there's some furniture on the curb. You interested?
Yes! New shelf. New credenza. What's the best thing you've ever found by the side of the curb? Let me know in the comments. As you can tell, this is still a work in progress, but I'm very excited that we're making progress. Unfortunately, there's a lot of work ahead. The goal of this project was to create a functional and efficient sewing studio with a budget of less than $100. So far, I've spent under $75. The sewing cabinet and machine were $15. The desk cost $35. The wall shelf was $20, and the credenza, the ironing board, and the bookcase were free. Please like and comment if you enjoyed this video to help my channel grow. And please consider subscribing if you'd like to be notified of upcoming videos. We're gonna be organizing fabric! See you soon! Do you have an announcement, Ralph?
Yes.
Tell us.
Come here.